Undertaking repairs to appliances can be hazardous. Be sure to use the proper tools and safety equipment notes in the guide and follow all instructions. Do not proceed until you are confident that you understand all of the steps and are capable of completing the repair. Some repairs should only be performed by a qualified technician. Replace the dishwasher door seal, also called a tub gasket, if water leaks from the edge of the door. The water might seem to be leaking from the bottom side corner of the dishwasher.